Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 4 best car accessories. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Motor Trend Flex Tough Floor Mats for Cars, Black Deep Dish All-Weather Mats, Waterproof Trim to Fit Automotive Floor Mats for Cars, Trucks, SUV, Universal Floor Liner Car Accessories. Material, rubber. Color, black. Brand, Motor Trend. Product dimensions, 27-inch LX20WX1TH. Vehicle service type, passenger car, truck, SUV. Auto part position, inside. Fit type, universal fit. Genuine Flexed OCR floor mats. Motor Trend's Flex Tough Car Floor Mats provide maximum all-weather protection for your car's interior from snow, rain, and mud. Universal fit, designed to fit most vehicles, these flexible rubber floor mats mold to the shape of your car's interior. Front measurements, 27-inch LX20W, rear measurements 51LX14W. Heavy-duty rubber, built with a proprietary rubber blend. Our floor mats for cars are made to last and always protect your vehicle interior without deforming or cracking. Trim to fit design. The trimmable shape of our universal automotive floor mats fits most vehicles. You can further trim the floor mats to your vehicle's specifications. Easy to clean and spills, dirt, and stains wipe right off these all-weather car floor mats. Just use some soap and water whenever cleaning is needed. Number 2. Comfy Life Premium Gel and Memory Foam Seat Cushion, Doctor Recommended Office Chair Cushion, Car Seat Cushion, Chair Cushions for Back and Sciatica Pain Relief, Seat Cushions for Office and Desk. Special Featured Cooling Gel plus 100% Premium Memory Foam Cushion. Color black. Size 1 size. Fill material gel memory foam. Most comfortable gel memory foam cushion on the market. Comfy Life's all-in-one features are unrivaled. Non-slip bottom stays in place, built-in handle for easy transport and machine-washable zippered velour cover for easy cleaning. The Comfy Life Coccyx cushion is the best gel memory foam seat cushion on the market, made of premium quality durable memory foam with cool-off gel layer on top for superior comfort. Ergonomic U-shaped design supports tailbone and posture. Recommended by doctors and orthopedic specialists, the ergonomic U-shape promotes healthy spine alignment and provides lower back and sciatica pain relief. Say goodbye to discomfort with this premium coccyx cushion for tailbone pain and back pain relief. Supports recovery from lower back problems, herniated discs, tailbone injuries, sciatica, and other spinal issues. Great for any chair, versatile use in office, car, travel, gaming, wheelchair. Whether you need a car seat cushion, seat cushions for office chairs, airplane travel cushion, sciatica pain relief pillow, wheelchair cushion, or chair pad, this portable cushion is perfect for all seating types. Compatible with driver seats, truck seats, gaming chairs, and more. Number 3. Car Seat Gap Filler Set of 2. Soft foam multifunctional seatside gap filler with organizer and hook function. 3-in-1 gap stopper universal fit car SUV truck. Fill the gap between seat and console. Effective protection against dropping. Give a 5 car seat gap fillers effectively keep things from falling into the gap between your car seat and the center console, which is annoying and dangerous. Multifunctional design car gap filler organizer. Due to the innovative design of our gap filler, Give a 5 car seat organizer can realize the 3 functions of preventing dropping, storing, and hanging drinks at the same time. A compact and powerful car interior designed for your car. Double-sided availability. This car seat gap filler boasts a unique 180 degrees flip design, merging versatility with timeless elegance. On one side, it offers practical multifunctional features, while the flip side showcases a classic, clean look. Depending on their mood or need, you can effortlessly switch between the two. Material of the latest upgrade, adopting unique high-density foam, our seat gap filler is flexible, highly fit, not easily deformed. Soft enough that will not damage your car's interior. Easy to clean and water washable. It will never fall apart and lasts a lifetime. Universal fit for most car, trucks, and SUVs. Package comes with 2 PCS, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. Note, if installed correctly, the straight edge without the opening is on the console side. Number 4. Husky Liners Exact Contour Floor Mats. Fits 2011 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK2DR second row, 1PC black 53581. Custom fitment. 2011 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK2DR. Tough never felt so soft. Rubberized Dura-Grip construction yields the perfect balance of strength and pliability, not that hard plastic feel of lesser liners. Perfect edge-to-edge fit of floorboards are 3D laser scanned using our proprietary form-fit design process, for an ultra-tight, glove-like fit for your make and model. Built to stay flat to the edge, no curls, no gaps. Life contained, not stained, its patented form-fit edge creates a raised barrier along the door jamb that keeps mud, snow, and liquids contained for easy cleanup. Take it out, hose it down. Carry on. Exact Contour is flexible and easy to remove and clean up. Spray it down, shake it off, and it's back on the job. Proudly made in the USA, warranted for life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.